Hi everybody, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. So just another little update from me today. Everybody's asking what's going on with this thing because they always see it in the back of my videos still. It is sold, but the gentleman has kind of dragged his feet on picking it up, to say the least. It's been about 6 months. He's a fellow YouTuber. I'm not going to mention any names. I don't want to slander anybody, but for future reference, you know, I try to be very, very kind to people. I try to help people out with transport and things like that. So typically when I sell a car, I will store it for 30 days for free while you arrange transport and things like that. But if it's going to be above the 30-day limit, all I ask for is just communication. And at that point, if it's going to be more than 30 days, unless things are otherwise discussed and stated, I will start having to charge storage on them. So like I said, this one hopefully will be leaving this week. I kind of had to get a little firm with the gentleman and get it out of here. But anyway, that's kind of my policy for Caddy Girl Garage. Like I said, 30 days for free unless otherwise stated when I sell a car. So anyway, that's the update here on Lazarus. I do have my regrets about selling this one, but that's life. I should have just kept it here and never sold it in the first place. So anyway, that's the update here on Lazarus. Thank you guys always for watching. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next Caddy adventure. Bye.